Hi, I'm Michael with Orthopro, and I'd like to share with you a story of one of our amazing patients. Our patient, Bud, started off with a limb salvage caused by an injury from a motor vehicle accident and dealt with that for many years. When I entered the picture with Bud, he had just recently had an above-the-knee amputation. And quite honestly, he was in a state that is a very challenging state for a prosthetist to deal with. A very large limb, a weight that's a little bit high, and expectations that need to be managed. When I spoke with Bud, I did have good hopes for him and a good outcome. But there's certain things that were out of my control as a prosthetist that only Bud could do. Bud dropped approximately 60 pounds during the treatment period that we were seeing him for getting him his initial prosthesis up to the definitive prosthesis, which he received not too terribly long ago. We started off with a basic initial prosthesis, a liner that rolls on the residual limb, and a mechanical knee. This was to help us get to the point where we could start his rehabilitation and see how well he could do in therapy. He did amazing. He controlled his diet and he did very well in physical therapy initially, and I had to keep up with him because of his weight loss. His socket began to be too big because his limb was getting smaller. Eventually, he got to the point where we were able to come up with a design for his socket called the Moss socket, which captures his anatomy to keep the socket from moving around, but it moves with him and helps him control the prosthetic knee. We moved towards a prosthetic knee that was a microprocessor controlled knee. These types of knees help mitigate or limit the amount of falls that are experienced by people with an above-the-knee amputation utilizing a prosthesis. Together with the Moss socket design, the Click medical closure, the prosthetic knee, in this case was a C-leg, and also a foot designed for his height, weight, and activity level, we were able to help Bud achieve amazing results that matched his effort that he put forward to being a user with incredible abilities. If you or a loved one are dealing with issues requiring a prosthesis, we would love to help you. Please check out our website, our other videos on prosthetic devices, or give us a call.